Goa needs change. Goa needs resurgence. Goa needs new leadership. And it is the Congress party that can provide that leadership to the state of Goa. That we believe in providing 100% employability to Goan youth across private and government sector organizations. We believe that we want to start the mining initiative keeping in mind the Supreme Court orders. In our policy of one truck or tanker per family will have their loan completely waived off. Casinos is another point that needs to be taken up. The tremendous amount of illegal betting that goes on. The Congress party is very, very clear in its articulation that what the BJP government had promised, that all off-land casinos shall be abolished, but then reneged on that promise, true to its character, the Congress party shall implement. Whether it is the Mandovi River or others, all off-land casinos shall be done away with when the Congress party comes into government. And it is our resolve to ensure that we bring probity at the highest level and zero tolerance towards corruption. We will institute an anti-corruption board armed with an independent individual. Unfortunately, at the local level, the opposite has happened in Goa. The land of the tillers has been taken away to be given to corporates, to be given to non-Goans. And it is our resolve that when we come into government, we will ensure a cap on further acquisition of land for business, and we will appoint new executive magistrates to clear the backlog of revenue cases related to tenancy, mundkars and encroachments on government land. Goa has been pining for special status. It is our resolve that when brought into government, we shall pass a fresh resolution in the Goa Legislative Assembly recommending amendment of the Constitution to incorporate special provisions for protecting Goa's land and culture, restricting the sale of agriculture and tenanted land to non-Goans, and assisting in granting heritage status for preservation of our architectural heritage. And we resolve to bring about voting rights for non-Goans, overseas Goans, to ensure their participation in our state's development. Medium of instruction will be the choice of every student and every parent. We will provide Wi-Fi to all high schools, universities and colleges. And we will also provide a state-of-the-art sports complex in every single constituency in the state of Goa. We have launched a very ambitious 237 scheme. And according to this 237 scheme, we will distribute wheat at 2 rupees, rice at 3 rupees and sugar at 7 rupees for all people below the poverty line, ensuring the participation of every single individual in our quest for all-round development in our state. They will be provided also with free water and free electricity. And we commit to take the electricity and water tariffs back to the 2012 levels, providing the necessary relief for each and every one of our citizens. We will also put in place special canteens which will provide subsidized food for the needy and universal health care for all Goans, free medicine and free health care. Not only that, but we will put in place a Goa Medical College and a Goa Dental College in South Goa and provide all 108 ambulances to every single village in our state. The Congress government promises to bring about a Regional Plan 2021 and reformulate it under the provisions of a newly formed town and country planning, which will take into account the incorporation of the provisions of the 73rd and 74th Amendment, relegating powers to the grassroots level.